price and non-price competition. It's a price competition because firms are able to change the prices to compete with each other. For non-price competition, they have to use other methods aside changing the price. That is non-price competition. The benefit of price competition, number one, lower prices. Because for you to attract customers, you need to sell at a reduced price. Based on the law of demand, the lower the price, the higher the quantity demanded. So consumers will only buy when the price is right, when the price is low. So you can only sell to customers when you can sell at a reduced price. So because they use price competition here, firms would rather reduce the price than increase the price. And because they continue to reduce the price, it becomes affordable for consumers. And that increases the spending power of consumers. Do you understand lower prices here? Since firms compete using price, consumers are better off as they spend less. This in turn increases their purchasing power. Because they are buying at a reduced price, they can afford more. That increases their purchasing power. They have the ability to buy more. Do you understand lower prices here? If you used to buy for $7 a pen, let's say a pen, you used to buy it for $7. Now they are selling it at $5. It simply means now you have $2 additional, yes or no? So that increases your ability to buy more things. Do you understand lower prices here? The second one, consumers now have a choice with charging lower prices. They can decide what to do with their income. Now you have $2 left from this. Instead of you paying for $7, you are paying $5. You have additional $2 with you. You can decide to buy more or you buy something else because you have more money with you. Do you understand the choice here?
Yes.
Before, you don't get it. If firms charge lower prices, it simply means instead of buying 7, you now buy for 5. You have additional 2 with you. Yes or no? Yes. The additional 2 you can decide whatever you want to use it for. Does it make sense now or not?
Yes.
The first one, it increases your purchasing power, which simply means you can buy more. The second point is that you have more choice because you have more money with you. When you have less money with you, you have less choice because your consumption is based on your income. Your C equals to your Y. It is what you have, you spend. Now you have more, then you can spend more, you can make more choices. Do we get it?
Yes.
Okay, now go to the benefits of non-price competition. For non-price competition, it simply means we are not competing with price. We are competing with something else, like branding, like advertisement, like after-sales services. These are non-pricing factors.
So they compete on like products.
Yeah, without using price, without changing price. So the first advantage is that there's price stability. I want to talk about price stability. Because you're not using price will remain constant. And that gives consumers the opportunity to plan ahead. When you actually know that when you go to the market, you always meet it at 5. So you plan on 5. It's not going to change because the price is not there. The price is constant at this point. Ceteris paribus, all things being equal, price stays the same. Do you understand price stability here?
Yeah.
There's price stability when there's non-pricing factor because they do not need to change the price. 2, better after-sales services. Businesses have to find a way to retain their customers. And to retain their customers, they might as well give them after-sales service. So you bought this marker or you bought a laptop, and whenever you have to maintain the laptop for maintenance, you have to go back to them, they will do it for free. They have to do this so that they can keep you to be with them. After-sales service. Do we understand after-sales service here?
Yeah.
The third one, consumers have access to more information. Because you cannot change your price, because the price remains constant, you can advertise your product. And when you advertise, it creates more awareness about your product or service, which means consumers have access to more information. So it's not about price. Price remains constant, ceteris paribus. So all we're talking about here is other pricing factors that has changed. Like price stability. Price will not change, it remains the same. Better after-sales service. You have to find a way to attract your customers. For them to stay loyal to your brand, you have to find a way to do that without reducing your price. The third one, access to information. Because in a non-pricing competition, you have to use advertisement to create awareness. You have to differentiate your product one way or the other. And to do that is probably excessive advertisement. And with excessive advertisement, you are giving information to your customers about your product. And that might allow them to stay with you. Do we get it? Where? Consumer have access to more information. Information is about adverts. With advertisement, you are passing information across. And passing information across means you are creating awareness about what you do. Let's assume this is a factory. You produce markers. Without people outside knowing that you produce marker here, they're not going to buy. So you are letting them to know that this is what you do. And that means they have access to information. So you're not going to lower the price because price is constant here. You have to find a way to attract customers without using price. And that is non-price factor. Is it clear?
Yes.
Thank you.